Hello, my name's Grant and I'm the designer here at Dobell, and we're going to take you through some of the key looks and the key styles we have coming in for this autumn winter 24. Go through some of the fabrics, some of the styles we've got coming in, and also showing you guys how to style them up, how to wear them, dress them up, dress them down, however you want. So the first look we're going to go through today is our sage green herringbone suit. It's got the classic notch lapel, 2-button fastening. You've got the flat pockets there. I know what you think of tweed. When you think of tweed, you think of geography teachers, you think of it being quite stuffy, but it's really changed over the years. And due to its sort of flexibility really, that's why it's loved by so many men and becomes a bit of the workhorse of your wardrobe really. You can wear it any ways. The fabric is a beautiful wool blend in this sort of sage green herringbone. The vibrant printed lining in, so we've gone with the blue floral, and it's got that little accent of pink running through that we've teamed up, and you'll see that across the trouser and the waistcoat as well. You can dress it up, like we've got it here. We've got it dressed up like with herringbone shirt. We've got the jacquard tie, the tie clip, and the pocket square there, and we've teamed it with the tan brogue. You can also dress it down, so swap out the shirt and the tie for knitwear or a t-shirt, swap out the shoes for a trainer or a sort of more casual shoe, team the jacket with jeans or with chinos or a more casual trouser, or take the jacket away completely and use the trousers as a sort of styling piece with a standalone shirt or a sort of bit of knitwear or a sort of t-shirt. So it's a really great piece to dress up or dress down, and you can mix it with a lot of other types of things. So the next look we're going to talk about today is our bright blue tuxedo. Black tie dressing and black tie events can cause excitement and anxiety in equal measure. On the one hand, it's really exciting to get dressed up, put your glare bags on, but on the other hand as well, there's a lot of rules associated with black tie, what you can and can't wear and all that sort of thing. But you know what, rules are there to be broken, so have a bit of fun with it and stand out at your next formal event. A little bit of dazzling blue will go a long way. We have created this sort of bright blue style in a premium fabric, a lovely rich colour. We've gone with the classic peak lapel tuxedo, and we've got the trims throughout, so we've got the satin on the lapel, you've got the satin on the pocket, and you've got the satin on the button there as well. The inside, again, on that same sort of feel of being quite bright and bold, we've gone with a really kind of lovely blue paisley lining, and sort of punctuate with the little blue flashes in there as well in the detailing. Again, we've dressed it up. We've dressed it up with the classic black tuxedo trousers, which has got the satin trim at the side as well. We've gone with a black sort of satin shirt, satin finish shirt, and we've gone with the classic black bow tie. Tonal dressing and sort of tonal styling for formal wear and tailoring is quite a popular look at the moment, and that's how we kind of styled it here. The black bow tie and the black shirt, black accessories, but you can break that up with a little white pocket square. You can add a little flash in your cufflinks and stuff, so there's definitely ways to do it. A really nice, bright look for your next formal event. So the last item I want to show you today is a bit from our outerwear range. I've actually got a piece on from the outerwear range, so I've got one of our new overshirts in like a mid-weight sort of herringbone tweed. It's based on that classic covert sort of coat shape. So we've got a 3-button fastening with the horn buttons. It's got the little accents of velvet trim at the collar and at the pockets. We've also got a little ticket pocket there, an extra ticket pocket. So it's like a modern take on the covert coat. A really beautiful fabric. This is a wool blend, and it's very similar to the sort of iconic Harris tweed fabric. Little accents and flashes of orange and blue in the check lend to a really nice pattern. And what we try and do at Dobell is kind of create outerwear that lends itself to a multitude of sort of different sort of scenarios, or you can wear it in a variety of ways. And something that stands out amongst that sea of black and grey 3-button overcoats you see on every morning commute. Like I mentioned before, it can be styled up or styled down. It's a really versatile piece. I've styled it up, so we've got it with the navy Donegal waistcoat, notch lapel waistcoat and matching trousers. We've got the lovely dark brown Chelsea boot, and I've put it with one of our blue check ties and a light blue shirt. But it can also be styled down. It can be styled down with jeans, with denim, with knit, with shirting for a more smart casual look. So again, a really versatile piece that can go with a lot of other styles you already have in your wardrobe.